In a world where people are so conscious about their body weight and constantly looking for ways to shed some pounds, there are people like me worried about not being able to gain weight. Not eating enough calories is usually the reason why most people fail to gain weight. However, certain diseases can also make it difficult or literally impossible to put on weight. To resolve the issue, you need to understand the reasons for not gaining weight and then look for a solution. You may be eating much more than what I am talking about, but you should note the point that eating too much will never ever increase your weight, because for increasing weight you have to consume more calories contained foods, not the foods that have very less amounts of calories. There are so many things keeping you away from gaining weight. Let us know them in detail. First, lifestyle factors. You may have a hard time gaining weight if you are not paying attention to how many calories you need on a daily basis. Your lifestyle may be so busy to keep you from eating meals in a timely fashion. Skipping meals and not including the right food in your meals, such as fat, can also be among the reasons for not gaining weight. Similarly, engaging strenuous workout problems without consuming enough calories will make you lose weight. Check your lifestyle and keep track of your calories expenditure and intake to resolve the issue. Second one, hyperthyroidism. It refers to a condition in which your thyroid gland is overactive and produces too much thyroxine. Overproduction of this hormone triggers your metabolism and you end up burning calories more rapidly. You are more likely to feel hungry all the time, but not matter how much you eat, your body metabolizes it quickly without affecting your overall weight. Third one is diabetes. Your body needs insulin to regulate your main source of fuel called glucose. You may feel hungry all the time, but you will not able to gain weight if you have diabetes. Talk to your doctor if you notice these symptoms. Fourth one is gastrointestinal issues. Problems with the intestines are also amongst the reasons for not gaining weight. It usually means your body cannot absorb what you eat. You might have to deal with malnutrition even if you are eating a lot, because what you eat, you directly pass it into the toilet. Fifth one is high physical activity. Irrespective of what you eat, you are never going to gain weight if you burn all those calories through a strenuous workout session. If your job requires you to be on your feet all the time, you are going to burn more calories as compared to people who are inactive. Lowering your workout intensity may help resolve this issue. Sixth one is psychological issues. How you feel mentally is going to affect you physically. Being under stress and depression can change your eating habits and directly affect your body weight. If you think your emotional issues are responsible for your weight problems, you should talk to a doctor or work with a counselor to improve your condition. Knowing the reasons for not gaining weight and then making a plan will help take control of your situation. After determining your problem, you work accordingly to increase weight. For those who want to increase their calories intake in healthy way, check my list and make them include in your meals. The best thing is to include nut or seed toppings with each meal. You can also include cheese and other healthy side dishes in your diet to gain weight. Adding sunflower seeds, almond, lots of fruits and whole grain wheat toast may also help increase your calories. Eat nutritious food. You should avoid empty calories as much as possible and go nutrient dense. Include protein rich meats in your diet to put on lean muscles. Carbohydrates provide you with energy even if you have a reduced appetite. Choose snacks carefully. You should choose the options with plenty of protein. Some of the best options are protein bars, trail mix, protein drinks and crackers with peanut butter. Try mini meals and see how they work. They usually works great if you are dealing with a curbed appetite. You may find it works great to eat several meals throughout the day to increase your calorie intake and put on some weight as well. Try strength training instead of too much of aerobic stuff. Your goal is to save calories and that's why your focus should be on strength training. Weightlifting and yoga usually work great and help you put on weight by building muscles. Homemade protein smoothies, milk, rice, red meats, and at the last I will prefer protein supplements as the last option after trying all the other ways because of its side effects which may harm you the other way. Let us see what are the side effects of protein supplements. Upset digestive system, cause unhealthy weight gain, can lower blood pressure, might affect kidneys. As protein is utilized by the body, it produces ammonia as a byproduct. The ammonia then converts into urea which is eliminated from the body body through urine. The logic is simple. If a person takes high amounts of protein, they produce large quantities of urea. It puts higher pressure on the kidneys as they filter out more amounts of urea and calcium from the blood. Protein is important for sure. In fact, it is the building block of life, but taking it in excess is not advisable. So keep a check on your protein intake. Ensure you get adequate of it, but don't go overboard. To gain a pound in 1 week, the average person needs to consume an extra 3500 calories a week or 500 calories per day. That's all about increasing weight. Just one click to the subscribe button and the like button will make me do more videos like this.